Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be making this horrible, rippy slime into an amazing masterpiece. I hope. Anyway, if you aren't already, make sure you subscribe and like this video. I hope you like it. So pretty much this is the slime, and even when I stretch it slowly, still ends up ripping. So I'm going to try to fix it. So my first method is adding some lotion. Some just regular body lotion. It doesn't need to be this kind. And pretty much just mix. Okay, this method isn't working the best as usual. I think this slime is too hard for it to work. Oh wait, that smells like shaving cream. Blech. It smells like an old man's cologne. It is my grandma's. I mean, I guess she could have shared with my grandpa, but why? She doesn't need to. Look at this slime, is horrid. Luckily it was only $1. You got it from the paper store. And I did buy it, so I'm allowed to ruin it if I want. Anyway, while I'm doing this, I'm going to inform you that I might be having a slime run soon. And I'm really excited for it, so I'm going to be making a bunch of slime videos. And I hope you guys like them. So yeah, I might change my username to something different, like I don't know. But I'll change it to something different, and I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah. Anyway, this is actually working pretty well. It worked better than I had thought. It's less clear than it was, but that's normal. I mean, come on. I mean, if you're using a clear slime, don't recommend this first part. But I mean, dude, lotion's the best, bro. You shouldn't have to fix a clear slime. And if you do, add water. Yeah, I've been doing slime for like as long as I can remember. That's not true. Since I was like 8. And I've loved it ever since. I am now 11. I know I'm really young, but I don't even care. But yeah. Anyway, I will put my TikTok and my Instagram in the description, and I hope you guys will follow me on both of those. Yeah. My TikTok is dancut_is_me, and my Instagram is DJ_the_beauty. So yeah. Well, it's definitely getting better. It's almost like a pearl slime, and I really like that. Still ruby. We'll do this one more time, and if it doesn't help at least a bit. Oh wait, I'll just use the rest of the lotion. It's a tiny little thing. Holy cow, it's a lot of lotion. That was more lotion than I thought, guys. Eek. Stop. Okay, sorry. My phone's at low battery. That was way too much lotion. Well, if this doesn't fix it, I don't know what will, because that was as much lotion as I can. Holy cow. Hey, at least it's working. It's actually stretching. Just hope this slime doesn't melt. My grandparents are going to be wondering what I'm doing in the bathroom so long, but oh well. This slime's actually turning out like really well. No way. No freaking way. Okay, you need to add a lot of lotion to these, but that is amazingly soft and satisfying. I'm like super surprised now. I didn't think that would work. I'm adding a little bit more. That was in my sink. Because there shall be no trace of me in here. Haha, there's some of my costume trace. Really annoying kid. No offense. But he is. This is like amazing now. I'm so surprised. I didn't think that would work. And you guys saw me the whole time. No cuts, no edits. This is legit. You guys saw how bad that was in the beginning. I'm actually so freaking surprised. We didn't even have to use water or anything like that. This is like the slime I make. This is actually like a really amazing slime. Now. I think I'm gonna add some glitters because I feel like it. So, yeah. Alright guys, come with me. I feel like we should add foam beads, but I can't open that till I get home. We're gonna go with the dark purple. Okay. So I got the dark purple. Eek. I feel like my slime's gonna turn purple from all this glitter. I added probably too much. Yeah, there's no way it's not gonna turn purple. It's gonna turn purple. Well, kind of. Must have been a pretty big slime, I guess. I don't know. Oh, that made it tough again. Okay, that's actually still really good. You guys saw the transformation from that, like, bro. Amazing. I can't believe I just did this. Wow. I'm gonna just get a little, barely even a handful, and put it on it. Because it might help. I can't believe the transition I just went through. Holy cow. My grandparents can't notice. I mean, it's the bathroom I'm using, but come on. So, hello. You can like see me in the mirror. So before, tiny little piece, and after. Slime I've ever transitioned. This is amazing. I tried hairspray too. I'll do 2 more sprays because then it makes it smell good and it doesn't really do anything, so. Still smells like man cologne or like shaving cream or something like that. Oh, you guys, I'm obsessed with this slime. It actually turned out amazing. More amazing than I would have thought. So yeah, maybe I'll have to fix another one of those. But the other one is actually pretty good because I already fixed it, but only with water. But I feel like lotion makes it so soft and more satisfying than it would be. Anyway, make sure to hit that, smash that like button, and gently hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.